In Go, if statements have a couple unique features. So far in my function, all I am doing is declaring a random value and then printing that value out to the screen. So let's do a couple of tests on my random value using if statements. The first notable thing about if statements in Go is that the condition does not need to be put within parentheses. However, if statements do require that the body of the if statement be put within curly brackets. Writing this over in the terminal, and everything works as we would expect. Now, else statements have to be on a single line with the last closing curly bracket. And as we'd expect, everything works over in the terminal. Given the syntax so far, the else if syntax is as you would expect. And testing this in the terminal. Lastly, a very unique component of if statements in Go is that you can actually have a statement at the beginning of your if statement. And what I mean by that is we can make this random variable declaration actually within the if statement, kind of like a for loop. Note that by declaring random within the if statements, we are limiting the variable random to be available only within the scope of the if-else statements. If we were to try to use it outside the scope of the if-else statements, we'd get an error.